This lesson is finding the measure of interior angles of a triangle. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is x, the measure of angle B is 2x, the measure of angle C is 6x plus 18. What is the measure of each angle? Since these angles are all inside the triangle, they're going to add up to 180. So I know that x for angle A plus 2x for angle B plus 6x plus 18 for angle C equals 180. Now I can solve this equation. When I combine my x's, I'm left with 9x plus 18 equals 180. I'm going to subtract 18 from each side. I'm left with 9x is equal to 162. Divide both sides by 9, and I'm left with x is equal to 18. Now I have to make sure that I actually answer the question, because the problem is asking for the measure of each angle in the triangle. So if x equals 18, that means the measure of angle A, which is equal to x, is 18 degrees. The measure of angle B is 2x, so that's 2 times 18, which is 36. And the measure of angle C is 6x plus 18, which is 6 times 18 plus 18. And when I evaluate that, I'm left with 126. So that would be the measure of the three angles in this triangle. Find the value of x in this diagram. All these angles are inside the triangle, so I know they're going to add to 180. So 6x plus 56 plus 9x plus 19 equals 180. Combine the like terms, 6x and 9x is 15x, and 56 plus 19 is 75, equals 180. Now I just subtract 75 from each side to solve this equation. I'm left with 15x equals 105. Divide both sides by 15. X is equal to 7. Find the value of x in this diagram. This x, 97 plus x, is outside the triangle, so I can't add up those three angles to equal to 180. But I notice I do have two angles inside the triangle, so I'm going to call this third angle y. So that's 64 plus 27 plus y is equal to 180 because they're all inside the triangle. When I combine like terms, 91 plus y equals 180. Subtract 91 from both sides, and I'm left with y is equal to 89. Now, where my x is and this 89, they form a straight line, so they're supplementary angles. So know that 89 plus 97 plus x equals 180. Combine like terms, 89 plus 97 is 186 plus x equals 180. Subtract 186 from each side, and x is equal to -6.